So first of all, minor arc AC is this distance along the outside edge of the circle from A to C. If the circumference is 36, and that is all the way around, this is 1/4 of the circumference, or 9. If x is 100 degrees, and the length of this is 5 pi, we can set up a proportion. 100 is to 5 pi as the rest of the circle, which is going to be 260 degrees, is to x. If I cross multiply, I have 100x is equal to 1300 pi. If you divide by 100, you have x is equal to 13 pi. Again, this is the equation for a circle. We have to complete the square. So half of -10 is -5. If I square that, I get 25. So minus 10x plus 25. And over here I'm going to write 2 plus 25. Then for the y's, I have a coefficient for the b value of 6. So I take half of that and square it. Y squared plus 6y plus 9. And I'm going to add plus 9 to the right as well. This simplifies to x minus 5 squared. This simplifies to y plus 3 squared. And this gives me 36. What goes in here to make it 0? The answer is 5. What goes in here to make it 0? The answer is -3. C is the answer. So point P is on this circle. I know that the center is 6, -5. So I take the opposite of each of these. So here is 6, -5, and 10, -5 is over here. And notice that has a distance of 4. So if I want to complete a diameter, I'm going to have to go 4 this way. That's going to be at 2, -5. So you go from 2 plus 4 to 6, plus 4 to 10, the diameter is 8. That's because r squared is equal to 16, so the radius has to be 4. To write the equation of a circle, you take x minus the center value there, squared, plus y minus 7 squared is equal to 2 squared. So these are wrong because they have 2's on the right. And A is correct, but B had them backwards, adding instead of subtracting. Given this equation, we have a center 9, 3, and r squared is 64, so r is equal to 8. This is the equation of a circle for center HK and radius r. We have to complete the square, so we take a look at our b values, and we halve it and square it. So half of -4 is -2. If I square that, I'm going to be adding 4. If I do the same thing with my b value here, I'm going to take half of 6 and square it, so I'm going to be adding 9 to both sides. And here's a random negative 24. We can now simplify things, and this becomes x minus 2 squared. This becomes y plus 3 squared. I'm going to move the 24 to the right, and we have 37 over there. So r squared is equal to 37, so r is equal to the square root of 37. If we have a center here, that's going to be x minus 4 squared plus y plus 2, since it's minus a negative 2 squared, is equal to 3 squared. So the ones that just have 3 on the right are wrong, and I want to see plus y plus 2. That's why C is correct. This is called an inscribed angle. So 55 degrees is doubled when it's out here on the exterior. So 110 degrees is the answer.